Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Osu Mania with 4 keys. First, let's set up your keybinds. Many players find success using the S, D, F, and J keys, or A, S, D, and F. Experiment to find what feels most natural for your hands. Ensure your chosen keys are easily accessible and comfortable for rapid presses. This foundational step is vital for building good habits and improving your reaction time. Now, let's understand the notes. You'll encounter single notes, which require one key press, and chords, which demand multiple keys simultaneously. The key is timing. Press your assigned key exactly when the note reaches the judgment line at the bottom. Developing a strong internal rhythm will help you anticipate notes and maintain your combo. Practice hitting notes with precision to achieve higher scores and better accuracy. To improve, start with easier songs, perhaps those rated 1 or 2 stars. This builds muscle memory and confidence without overwhelming you. Consider using a metronome or a dedicated rhythm trainer to sharpen your internal timing. Consistency is key. Practice in short, focused sessions of 15 to 20 minutes daily rather than one long session. Gradually increase difficulty as your accuracy and speed improve. For advanced play, watch your replays. Analyze both your successes and mistakes to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Ensure your setup is ergonomic. Good posture and comfortable keybinds prevent fatigue during long sessions. Most importantly, remember to have fun. Take breaks when you feel frustrated or tired. Enjoying the process is crucial for long-term progress and maintaining your passion for the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.